For this recipe, you guys are going to need some pink salt, some olive oil spray, some apple cider vinegar, chickpea fava flour, and water. Also, you're going to need some baking powder. So right now I'm putting in some baking powder. Now I'm adding salt. Then you're going to add the water. And then you're going to add the vinegar once you stir everything up. Here I'm sifting it. Make sure you get all the lumps out. And here I'm adding the water. Now the measurements to this recipe will be in the description box below. Now that was only half of the water. I'm about to put in the other half of the water. It's going to be a little thin, but you can add a little more flour in, which is what I did. You won't see me do it in the video, but I did add a little more flour in it. This is chickpea and fava flour. So now you're going to spray your pan. Now with this, you want to coat the whole bottom of the pan. Make sure it's completely coated, but don't put too much in it because you don't want it to be too thick, but you don't want it to be too thin either. You see it's bubbling up, so it's going to cook like a pancake. Right here, I'm gently going along the sides of it with my spatula so it does not stick to the pan, I'm sorry. This will tear very easily if you're not gentle with it. So now you want to turn it over, but you don't want it to be wet. You want it to be somewhat dry, almost dry, but you don't want any movement on it. So I'm turning it back over so you can see the other side. And at this point, you want to start putting toppings on it. Here I'm putting on some ragu. This is the same kind of sauce I use for the lasagna video. I'll be putting that link in the description box below as well. If you haven't seen that video yet, please check it out. You don't want too much because you don't want your crust to get soggy. So here I'm only putting a little bit of cheese on the bottom of it, but this is just so your toppings can actually stick. Now here's just some stuff I just grabbed real quick. This is a leftover bell pepper and a few pieces of some vegan chicken strips I got from Aldi's that my son didn't finish earlier for lunch. And now I'm putting more Daya shreds on there. You can put as little or as much as you like. And then you pop that bad boy in the oven and let the cheese melt. Now with this flour, I would suggest regular chickpea flour. When I picked that flour up, I didn't know there was fava in it until I got home. So here I'm cutting it. You see, it came out looking pretty good. And there's a close-up. Look at that. Taste test, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on all my social media. You can also go like and follow my Facebook page, The Vegan Homeschooler. Be sure to join my group, The Vegan Homeschooler, Journey to Good Health. There, we focus on mental health as well as physical health. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Have a blessed day. Peace.